Should you use LearnDash's e-commerce, the one that's built in, or should you use WooCommerce? Now, this is a great question. I'm going to give you the facts so that you can make the best decision for your organization. So if you're a LearnDash user, I mean, unless you're selling your courses for free, and a lot of nonprofits will be doing that, or you might be giving away a free trial or something like that, you're going to need an e-commerce solution of some site. You got to take payments, credit cards, PayPal, however you might want to do that. Now, LearnDash has e-commerce features built into it. Now, the warning I want to give you is that this is not a super strong e-commerce solution. LearnDash, I'm sure, added this to their great LMS, their learning management system, because people were asking for it. They were likely folks that were just starting with LearnDash. Maybe they were first-time course builders, and they didn't want to have to add another plugin, another integration. And as a result, they threw it into the product. But it really is wah-wah, so-so. It's not elegant in the way that it works, so the customer experience is so-so. It does accept Stripe, PayPal, and Razorpay. You can only sell courses and groups of courses using LearnDash features for that. You cannot sell any other item within the WordPress environment. So you can't sell access to a blog. You can't create like a resource library. It's limited only to LearnDash assets. So you're restricted that way. You definitely can't sell hard goods like, baseball caps, mugs, or, whatever solid. And, like I mentioned before, it doesn't give a very elegant experience. Selling something for free or giving something away requires a registration step that's just very awkward. Now, WooCommerce, and this is our recommended platform, is a solid, best in breed e-commerce solution. So just like LearnDash is a best in breed learning management system, pairing it up with WooCommerce is just a great idea. And they integrate extremely well. They're like meant to work with each other. The two companies work together to make that experience very straightforward. So WooCommerce, in addition to having a good shopping cart, you can place orders on a cart. The checkout experience is very positive. It has a very strong aftermarket. Now, WooCommerce out of the box is free. If you want to take recurring payment subscriptions, you're going to have to upgrade to WooCommerce subscription. It's like $230 for the year. Pretty good deal, I think. And it has a very strong aftermarket, both with WooCommerce additions to that, to add-ons, as well as a very strong third-party market. If there's something you need from an e-commerce perspective, chances are WooCommerce will offer it. Like recently, we had a customer come to us and they needed to add a pretty strong affiliate program so that they could pay different people based on them referring them business. Excellent solution through Affiliate WP, which is a third-party add-on. But there are many, many, many options like that. Now, if you are planning to go with LearnDash and WooCommerce, I encourage you to download our profitable online course builder starter guide. It's a LearnDash WooCommerce starter guide that gives you a lot of the configuration settings that aren't at all obvious because LearnDash has its documentation, WooCommerce has its documentation, and they don't necessarily work to bring that all together. In this thing, we really connect all the dots. We show you certain things that will enhance the experience and make it so that your website and the way the customers purchase it, the whole buying journey is very straightforward. It's a free resource. I provide the link down below. So I really recommend, if you're going with LearnDash, to opt out of using LearnDash's e-commerce solution. Opt in, take advantage of WooCommerce. It's definitely a great solution, and I think you'll be pretty happy with that call.